How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use the Cloud Code with Visual Studio. Now, the first thing that you actually want to do is to navigate through the extension tab, which is going to be this specific button right here. Once inside, just type the Cloud Code, and then it will simply show up right here. Of course, we need to simply install it in order to use it onto our virtual or the Visual Studio. So just click on the install button. Right after, we then have to actually open up the Cloud Code, which is going to be this specific button right here. So just click on it. And right after, we then have to, of course, connect our Cloud account. So you need to have a Cloud subscription in order to do this, or we can go ahead and pay for an API to go ahead and use it through our console account, or we could use our API keys to do this, but generally you need to have a Cloud subscription. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.